Hi guys, and welcome to our Basic Bisaya channel. My name's Gary.
My name is Reancy.
And in today's video, we're going to talk about buying and bargaining in the market.
In the Philippines, there are many markets, and you need to know these phrases in order for you to know how to buy or even bargain and to save money like a local.
And guys, before we start, if these videos give you any value, please consider liking and subscribing to our videos. We really appreciate it and it helps out the channel a lot. With that being said, let's jump straight into the video right now. So the first phrase you're going to learn, and probably the most important one, is how to say, how much is this?
In Bisaya, we say, tagpila kini or tagpila ni for short. Tagpila kini or tagpila ni.
How much is this? Tagpila kini, or you can use tagpila ni.
For vocabularies, tagpila means how much, and kini means this in English, and ni is a shortened form of kini.
The seller will no doubt give you a price, but how can we tell them the price is too expensive? What we can say is,
Kamahal kaayo. Or just say, mahal kaayo. Kamahal kaayo. Or you can also say, mahal kaayo.
it's too expensive, kamahal kaayo, or cutting it short, mahal kaayo. Now let's have a look at the vocabularies.
Kamahal, or the root word mahal, means expensive. Kaayo means very.
You can always try asking the seller to reduce its price by asking for a discount. So let's learn the phrase, is there a discount? Which in Bisaya is,
Wala na ba'y hangyo? Wala na ba'y hangyo?
is there a discount? Wala na bay hanyo? Let's have a look at the vocabulary used in that phrase.
Wala is none, and hangyo means discount in Bisaya.
You may want to attempt to bargain with the seller by offering them a fair price. So let's learn the phrase, can you give it for 1 peso?
In Bisaya, we say, ikahatag ba ni mong piso? Or we just simply say, piso na lang. Ikahatag ba ni mong piso? Or just simply say, piso na lang.
Can you give it for 1 peso? You can use ikahatag ba nimog piso? Or the short form, just use piso na lang. We've already learned the expression to say expensive, so now let's learn how to say this is cheap.
Barato na kini. Or just simply say, barato na ni. Barato na kini. Or barato na ni.
This is cheap, barato na kini, or shortening that, barato na ni.
From vocabularies, we've got barato, which means cheap or inexpensive. And kini is this, and ni is a shortened form of kini.
Sometimes you may need to buy items by the kilogram, so you can ask them for a price by saying the Bisaya phrase,
Tagpila ang kilo. Tagpila ang kilo.
how much is a kilo? Tagpila ang kilo. Let's take a look at the vocabulary in this phrase. Tagpila is how much, and kilo is obviously kilo, kilogram.
When handing over your money to the seller, you can use the phrase,
Here is my payment. And translating that to Bisaya, we say,
bayad o. Bayad o.
here is my payment, bayad o.
And bayad means payment in Bisaya.
When receiving your change, you may hear the seller use the phrase,
Sukli mo. Sukli mo.
and that means, here is your change. Sukli mo, here is your change.
Sukli means change in Bisaya. Mo is the short form of nimo, which means your in English. For more possessive pronouns like you, me, and I, and the like, you can check out our video,
which we'll link to in the description below.
Another common phrase you may need is
there anything else? So translating that to Bisaya, we say
unsa pa, or naapay lain, unsa pa, or naapay lain.
Is there anything else? Unsa pa or naapay lain? And the last phrase, when buying or bargaining at the market, you can use is
Sige na, sige na.
and that translates in English as come on or go ahead. It's used as a bargaining tool.
So guys, that covers how to say phrases for bargaining and buying things in the market. Why not try it while you're in the Philippines and shop like a local?
Don't forget guys, if you enjoy the content that we create, please consider putting a like on it and subscribing if you're new. If there's anything we've missed or any other phrases you'd like to know regarding bargaining, please put them in the comment section below and we'll try our best to answer them. And as always guys, have a great day.
See you in another video!